Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Cash App deposit not showing. To fix a missing Cash App deposit, what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to make sure to open the Cash App and go to the Activity tab, the clock icon, and look for a pending payment with a clock icon. You could tap it to accept as well. Next, you also want to make sure to verify credentials. So sign out and log in back in using the exact phone number or email address the sender used. You will also want to make sure you're using the latest version of Cash App to avoid technical glitch. If you want to update, you just want to make sure to go to your respective app store and type in Cash App on the search bar and make sure to update the app to the latest version as well. If the paycheck notes that it may take up to 5 business days, you have to confirm details with the employer as well. You could also verify account limits. So what you need is just go to the profile icon and check limits to ensure your account can receive the amount as well. If the deposit is still missing, you just want to go to the profile and tap onto the settings and go to support and go to chats to contact Cash App support, and they should be able to help you out. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.